Restoration of the wetlands at Unity Park is underway. We're starting simple with kudzu removal. Next month, we move on to invasive trees.
The month of October will be removal of some trees, ash trees that have emerald ash borers, which is a pest within that specifically targets ash trees.
The Wetlands Project, paid for by generous donations from BMW, Duke Energy, and private donors, will protect 8 acres on the north side of Welborn as you drive into the park. Preservation will help with flood mitigation, filter harmful pollutants from stormwater, and offer a habitat for animals and flora in the park. The project will include boardwalks, habitat pools, educational signage, overlooks, and a wetland shelter. The boardwalks will allow visitors to enjoy the area without harming the environment.